Nestled in the prestigious Ridge neighborhood of Lincoln, Nebraska, 2425, Ridge Road stands as a testament to luxury and architectural brilliance. Designed by renowned architect Albert Hamersky and constructed by esteemed builder Brager in 1991, this estate offers an unparalleled living experience. Grand entrance and main level. As you approach this magnificent residence, the tree-lined street and park-like setting provide a serene ambience. Upon entering, you're greeted by an expansive first floor that boasts Gourmet Kitchen, equipped with a separate prep area. This kitchen is a chef's dream, perfect for both intimate dinners and grand gatherings. Formal dining room, ideal for hosting elegant dinners and celebrations. Piano/flex room, a versatile space that can cater to music enthusiasts or be transformed to suit various needs. Great room, a spacious area designed for relaxation and entertainment. Den, a cozy space for reading or work. Primary bedroom suite, a luxurious retreat offering comfort and privacy. Second bedroom, generously sized to accommodate guests or family. Drop zone/office, a practical space for daily essentials and work tasks. 4 bath areas, conveniently located for residents and guests. Laundry room, designed for efficiency and ease. The abundance of windows throughout the home ensures that natural light floods the interiors, offering breathtaking views of the meticulously landscaped surroundings. Lower level retreat. The finished walkout basement is a haven of its own, featuring 3 additional bedrooms, providing ample space for family or guests. 3 baths, ensuring convenience and privacy. Recreation/family room, a perfect spot for entertainment and relaxation. 2 craft rooms, tailored for hobbyists and creative endeavors. Playroom, a dedicated space for fun and games. Second kitchen, ideal for hosting or multi-generational living. Second den, an additional space for work or leisure. Expansive storage area, located beneath the garage, offering substantial storage solutions. Outdoor oasis. Step outside to discover a private paradise. Gated pool, complete with its own dressing room, perfect for summer relaxation. 4-stall garage, providing ample space for vehicles and storage. The estate spans 2 acres, offering a tranquil environment that feels like your own private park, yet is conveniently close to popular amenities. Key features. Location, 2425 Ridge Road, Lincoln, Nebraska, 68512. Bedrooms, 5. Bathrooms, 7. Total living space, 8,751 square feet. Lot size, 2 acres. Experience the epitome of luxury living in Lincoln, Nebraska. This estate at 2425 Ridge Road is not just a home. It's a lifestyle waiting to be embraced.